Hello, and welcome to a presentation by Marina Penland on what is poverty. This presentation will consist of four images with a noun or a adjective connected with them. Two of these images that I chose I can relate to because they are prominent into my town that I live in, that I see them almost every single day. No matter where I go, I can find one at least per day, and it's just my heart is moved that I need to do something to that for them. So hopefully this will spare a little awareness on this. The first photo is a little boy and a little girl. The little boy looks a little bit happy inside a situation, and the little girl looks very confused, but content in what they're doing. And the word that I chose was indigenous, meaning to need, impulse, seriously strained at circumstance, and unusual condonance, the endurance of many hardships, and a lack of comforts. Both of these children look very comfort in their situation, with all the dirtiness on their whole body, on their clothes. They're just comfortable inside the situation, which they shouldn't be because we need to reach out to them more and have that um that impulse of we need to go and help these children that are in a pile of dirt and um waste and everything that we need to go and not let them have the lack of comfort. They need to have that comfort in their lives. The second one that I chose was what I was talking about at the beginning, was how this struck out to me that I connected is we see so many places, big cities, small cities, these people on the side of the road asking for money or saying we'll work for not for anything, for just they need work. And the word that I described this was distress, extreme anxious, sorrow or pain, suffering caused by lack of money or the basic necessities of life, that I feel like we need to um, de-stress them instead of distress, having them in distress and everything. We need to like give them gift cards. We need to um, hand them food instead of money, or we need to say, oh, I know this person, you can go here, I'll give you the phone number, the address, you can go to work for them, or even say, yes, come in, you can work for me. um, these people, some of them, I can tell that they really want to work and they're not out there just for money. They want to work, they want to be on their own and everything. The third photo that I chose was another thing that I talked about at the beginning, is what is connected with me is this homeless guy is just traveling in his little buggy and everything. Um, and the word that I chose with this is itinerant, traveling from place to place. He is traveling with all his belongings in one spot, and he's just going from place to place to place. Um, I went to work today, and I actually saw somebody that I went into the store. Before going to the store, I saw um, homeless people with their buggy, with their dog, and everything sitting out in front of the store. So I can relate to this, seeing they're traveling from place to place to place. They don't have a destination. They're just going where they should go and finding out their way. The last photo that I chose was a group of kids in a um, small building. It looks like a school, um, and they're just very, very content. And that's the word that I chose: content, in a state of peaceful happiness. They're so content in their small, little, tiny schoolhouse that they don't know about like how we can go to a big fancy school or a big fancy campus, and that's our content. That's our, and we even can even have these moments that we're just not content with what we need, we want more and everything. They're happy in what they're doing. This photo, they're happy that they're inside this small little tiny, looks like a concrete house, concrete place that they're happy in what they're doing. So thank you for uh, listening to me and talk about what is poverty.